Hey y'all, my name is Mimi's Mighty Incredible. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, make sure you show your girl some love, like, comment, and subscribe. And for my old time subbies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Excuse me, I can't even talk right now. But I'm so excited because I'm going to try pre-pooing my hair. You know, I haven't pre-pooed since I've been 100% natural. And I've been natural for maybe like a year, and this is all of my hair. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna pre-poo. The benefits of pre-pooing is that it helps with detangling hair, and it adds moisture, and improves manageability, okay? And I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to use grapeseed oil. All right, y'all, and the benefits of this oil mixture is that both prevents dry scalp, both add softness to the hair, both promotes hair growth, which you know we all need that, both add shine and strength, we need that too as a natural, and both moisturizes hair. Okay, so what I did was I had warmed up the oils in the microwave for about 30 seconds, but not in this. I put it inside of like a little microwavable bowl for about 30 seconds, and then I transformed it into this bottle right here. All right, my mixture. All right, y'all, so what I'm gonna do right now is part this hair in fours. Y'all know I work in fours when I'm doing my hair. And I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks, and it's pretty tangled. So yeah, so first I'm gonna use my liquid of choice. This is aloe vera juice. All right, and the benefits of aloe vera juice is that it makes your hair manageable. It's a great conditioner. It adds shine and moisture to your hair. But if you don't have aloe vera juice, you could use some water. You know, water is the #1 moisturizer, but I prefer aloe vera. So yeah, like I said, this hair is pretty tangled. Let's see how this mixture works. I think it should be good. This stuff is dry, y'all. I like dry. So yeah, now I'm sectioning my hair in 4 sections. I like to work from the back forward. Let me see. Okay. Come on here, work with me, not against me. All right, let me spray this. All right. This side needs some more lovely care over here. Okay, I think that should be enough aloe water. All right, get this mixture going. Actually, let me put in my hand. y'all, make sure y'all use the wide tooth comb. Okay, that's one part that's done. See how those comb just gliding? It's a struggle normally at these roots, y'all. I'm telling you, it's a struggle. And this the comb just riding right on through. And man. All right. I'm only gonna put this in like 3 sections. This one piece. Get this hair nice and wet, y'all. Can't be working on no dry hair. Oh, oil. Now I can comb it. Oh wow. Man. It's like magic, y'all. How this comb is gliding all up in here. Alright, that's that section. One more section. This is the quickest I ever detangled my hair. I don't even know why I didn't do this. I used to pre-poo when I was transitioning, but once it became fully natural, I didn't even pre-poo. This is the last piece in this first section. If I could just get the sleeve done. this oil. Right. Oh, wow. This is insane, y'all. And the back normally takes me forever to detangle. It's like a breeze. What's the saying? If it's not broken, why fix it? I'm definitely gonna pre-poo from now on. And this is the first section. Y'all see this? So y'all see this. So it's less than 5 minutes. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing I did for this section throughout my whole head. And I will get back to you. Okay, y'all? Hey, y'all, I'm in the shower. I'm about to wash this hair. I'm gonna use this Cowash by Edenbody. Can you see it? Let me saturate this hair first. Video. So this Edenbody Works is a natural cleaning co-wash. Here it is. Okay, and it's a sulfate-free, no suds, gentle cleansing conditioner cream for removing residue and buildup between regular washings to promote a healthy environment for hair growth. It's very thick, as you can see. And it smells wonderful. Hey y'all, I'm back. This is literally the best and fastest wash day I ever had washing my hair. From now on, I would definitely pre-poo my hair, and I would definitely wash my hair in sections. Normally I have my hair out in 4 sections, but it's not twisted. But I will, definitely incorporate these 8 twists into my hair, wash it with only the twist, and my hair feels squeaky clean despite it being inside of these twists. So yeah, let me know in the description box if you ever pre-pooed, what oils did you use. Also, let me know in the description box if you ever tried the Edenbody coconut shea line. Also, just make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. and I will see you next time. Bye bye.